أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
I seek refuge in Allah from the shaitan mardud. So starting in the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا كتب عليكم الصيام كما كتب على الذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون.
O you who have believed, decreed upon you is fasting as it was decreed upon those before you that you may become righteous.
أياما معدودات فمن كان منكم مريضا أو على سفر فعدة من أيام أخر وعلى الذين يطيقونه فدية طعام مسكين فمن تطوع خيرا فهو خير له وأن تصوموا خير لكم إن كنتم تعلمون.
Fasting for a limited number of days. So whoever among you is ill or on a journey during them, then an equal number of days are to be made up, and upon those who are able to fast but with hardship, a ransom as substitute of feeding a poor person each day, and whoever volunteers exceeds, it is better to him, but to fast is best for you, if you only knew.
شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن هدى للناس وبينات من الهدى والفرقان فمن شهد منكم الشهر فليصمه ومن كان مريضا أو على سفر فعدة من أيام أخر يريد الله بكم اليسر ولا يريد بكم العسر ولتكملوا العدة ولتكبروا الله على ما هداكم ولعلكم تشكرون.
The month of Ramadan is that in which was revealed the Quran, a guidance of the people and clear proofs of guidance of certain. So whoever sights the new moon of the month, let him fast it, and whoever is ill or on a journey, then an equal number of other days. Allah intends for you is and does not intend for you hardship, and wants you for you to complete the period and to glorify Allah for the to which He has guided you, and perhaps you will be grateful.
وَإِذَا سَأَلَكَ عِبَادِي عَنِّي فَإِنِّي قَرِيبٌ أُجِيبُ دَعْوَةَ الدَّاعِ إِذَا دَعَانِ فَلْيَسْتَجِيبُوا لِي وَلْيُؤْمِنُوا بِي لَعَلَّهُمْ يَرْشُدُونَ. And
when my servants ask you, O Muhammad, concerning me, indeed I am near, I respond to the invocation of the supplicant when he calls upon me. So let them respond to me by obedience and believe in me that they may be rightly guided.
أحل لكم ليلة الصيام الرفث إلى نسائكم هن لباس لكم وأنتم لباس لهم علم الله أنكم كنتم تختانون أنفسكم فتاب عليكم وعفى عفا عنكم فالآن باشروهن وابتغوا ما كتب الله لكم وكلوا واشربوا حتى يتبين لكم الخيط الأبيض من الخيط الأسود من الفجر ثم أتموا الصيام إلى الليل ولا تباشروهن وأنتم عاكفون في المساجد تلك حدود الله فلا تقربوها كذلك يبين الله آياته للناس لعلهم يتقون.
It has been made permissible for you the right proceed fast to go to your wives. For sexual relationship they are clothing for you and you are clothing for them. Allah knows that you used to deceive yourselves. So He accepted your repentance and forgave you. So now have relationship with them and seek that which Allah has decreed for you, and eat and drink until the white thread of dawn becomes distinct to you from the black thread of night. Then complete the fast until the sunset and do not have relationship with them as long as you are staying for worship in the mosque. These are the limits set by Allah, so do not approach them. Those doors Allah make clear His ordinance to the people that they may become retailers.
ولا تأكلوا أموالكم بينكم بالباطل وتدلوا بها إلى الحكام لتأكلوا فريقا من أموال الناس بالإثم وأنتم تعلمون.
And do not consume one and other wealth unjustly or send it in bribery to the rulers, in order that they might did you do consume a portion of the wealth of the people in sin, while you know it is unlawful.
يسألونك عن الأهلة قل هي مواقيت للناس والحج وليس البر بأن تأتوا البيوت من ظهورها ولكن البر من اتقى وأتوا البيوت من أبوابها واتقوا الله لعلكم تفلحون.
O Muhammad, about the new moons, say they are measurement of time to the people and for Hajj, and it is not right ounces to enter house from the back, but right ounces is in one who fears Allah, and enter houses from their doors, and fear Allah that you may succeed.
صدق الله العظيم.